Hey guys, it's Jimmy. You know me. I'm your friend. So I just want to let you know why Steve is banned from my house. A couple nights ago, he was hanging out and he goes over to my fridge. Totally normal thing to do. And he goes, "Do you have any water in here?" I said, "Yes." So he opened it up and then he took his water and he closed it. He almost closed it. Oops. And so, when you almost close a fridge, you're left with a lot of fucking ice in the freezer part. So, thank you, Steve, for coming over to my house and making it possible for me to make a fucking snowball in my basement. God, fucking shit. Ow. Worth it. Don't tell my mom what I'm doing down here. She'll be really pissed off at me.